What's up fam, it's Tina not Tyna. One sec. Title to the house.
Her name is Tyna, but we call her Tina. Now she's got a channel.
Why did she get a channel out?
Why she have a channel? Really, her have a channel. Why are we still singing? This is Tina's world.
Yeah, sometimes.
And I'm back. What's up fam, it's Tina not Tyna, and today we're going to be doing a really short, really simple there goes that, how to sulu an ear. The things you will need: yourself and an ear. Any color, preferably something that can actually cover you. And yeah, let's do it. I'm wearing as much black as I can. Yes, you'll get to see my whole being, and pretty much this is how we're gonna do it. So first, get your ear. Side note, this is just one way that I've learned how to do it. It's really good just to keep it up, then you don't have to worry about it falling down in front of anybody. Yeah, ear. Wrap it around you so that it looks like this. You want to get as much more on the right hand side, my dominant side, so this side. Then on this side, then you want to go left, right. Yep. Then I'm going to come closer to you. You want to grab a little tuft of here and the edge of this one. So this was where this one came from. Goes in and in. Yep. Grab the little corner from here. Go this side. You want to tie it up. Double knot it. So you want to grab it. This. Double knot it. Like so. I think I did it the wrong way. Hold up. I think I did it the wrong way. One sec. You do that again. So grab. You take your this side, tuck it in. Same thing as before. Grab the tuft, grab a pinch, a bit of this fabric right here. So you have a little bunny ear here, another bunny ear there. Tuck it in, double knot it so it's not going anywhere. Then you take the remaining bit you have, pull it over, tuck it in, tuck that in, and now you have a neat looking ear. So that's what it should look like at the end. I'm in my mirror, sorry about the dirty mirror. You should be going, the pleat should be coming to your left. I don't think that's right either. 1 second. I'm going to grab a portasi and see which way it goes. One of the skirt made ones. That was right. Goes to the left. Okay. That's all I wanted to know. Back in the rack you go. So that was one way of doing it. So that's the way I do it usually. It's just because it's so secure that it doesn't fall, and I know it doesn't. The thing you should know for when doing them is just making fun for girls. The ear should always be below your knees. Always below your knees. And yeah. So the other way I know some people do it, I'm not sure if it's the right way, is you cross over, like so, twist, and tuck. I don't think it's the right way to do it, but like I've seen people do it. I'll give you a full look. And again, just up. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Also, side note, sorry about my messy ass room. I'm sure you've seen it now. So, my brother to come and show how to do it for the males. So what you're gonna do is you have 2 equal parts. Would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then. Yep. Then.
You just roll it up a little on the sides.
Roll it up a little on the sides.
Then you grab the 2 ends.
Grab the 2 ends.
Cross them like that.
Cross it like that. watching.
Then cross it like that.
Yep.
And then after you do that,
You have two
all you want to
bunnies.
do, 2 ends, they should look like this. You cross, then the one at the top goes down, the one at the bottom comes up, and you spiral it like this. Boom! And you do that again, and boom, boom. And one more time, and you should have a little ball here. After that ball, you take that ball and you tuck it into there like that. Like that. Then you pull out your shirt, and there you go.
And the full body outfit. It's just above your knees, huh?
I'm a little teapot. Yeah, you can have it higher, and if you want it higher, all you do is just tuck in everything a bit more.
It's not supposed to be that high, is it?
Oh, you can have it that high
It's
if you're performing. If not, then just below your knees.
yeah, just below your knees.
But this is my house. I walk with no pants on. So.
Yep, and that was Giovanni. Thank you, Giovanni. So I'm gonna put my ear back on. Yo, focus up. That's what I thought. Wait, focus. You wanna fight? Focus. And yeah, that was your quick how-to tutorial from me and Giovanni. Like, there are many other ways I'm not entirely sure of them, but yeah, these were the ways that was taught by me. No, not by me. These were the ways that were taught to what? English. This. I learned how to do sulu my ears from other people. Okay. And anyway, so I hope you practice in this quarantine. You have family functions after this lockdowns, and at least you know you have an ear, how to sulu ear. And because all the family functions, you always have to have an ear if it's not already a dressy up place, time, event. Make sure you always take one of these to go with you wherever, so that you can shove it on. And yeah, I don't know where you can get them. I got these from Samoa, or they were handed down, or we stole them from other people's houses when we needed an ear. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for coming to Tyna's World. Bye guys.